guys, what's up? My name is Lori Longoria, and I had the pleasure to spend a total of 2 months traveling throughout Thailand. Thailand has become one of my favorite travel destinations, full of history, cultures, and it has some of the best cuisines. There's so much to do and see in Thailand, so let's get started. Here's my beginner's travel guide to Thailand. This is Thailand. Let's break it down. You have Bangkok, the north, and the islands. Bangkok is one of the most vibrant cities in the world. Visiting Bangkok for the first time can be overwhelming. It's a city that has so much to offer, from stunning temples, bustling street life, tuk-tuks, night markets, delicious street food, and it's home to the famous Grand Palace. But don't worry, Bangkok is easy to get around, most people speak English, and it's extremely affordable. Chiang Mai is a jungle paradise and Thailand's second largest city. A place of treehouse hostels, elephant sanctuaries, and mountains in the distance. Although Chiang Mai is a large city, it is very chilled and laid back compared to Bangkok. When in Chiang Mai, don't forget to visit an elephant sanctuary. Please do your research on elephant tourism in Thailand and make ethical choices. With over 1,400 islands, a trip to Thailand wouldn't be complete without an island adventure. White sandy beaches, bamboo shacks, palm trees, and absolute breathtaking views of the sea is what all of Thailand's islands have in common. However, each island is unique and presents its own charm. One of my favorite islands has to be Koh Samui. Easy to get to, great nightlife, and some of the most picturesque beaches in the world. Although Koh Samui is a bit more expensive than Bangkok and Chiang Mai, it is still very affordable. And that is it for my Thailand beginner travel guide. I really hope this gave you some insight as what to do during your time in Thailand. Until next time.